go. What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a good day. Today I'm going to be going to McDonald, ordering the ghost pepper McChicken. They have this new spicy McChicken challenge. I think it's only available in Canada at the moment, but we're going to be ordering the ghost pepper McChicken and seeing how spicy it is. So let's go. It's super windy, but we're still doing this challenge. Look at this, it's starting to rain too. Dang, this fall weather here in Canada, it's crazy. But anyway, let's keep going and see you there. Alright guys, I had to run back home. There was just a hailstorm right here. Now it's still pouring rain out. I don't know if you can tell or not. But that was crazy. I had to like bike home really quick. So once the rain stops, I'll go and get the spicy McChicken sandwich. Just like that, 3 minutes later, already sunny. So the clouds are still bad, but I'm gonna get going once more and see how this ends up. Alright guys, got the spicy McChicken in the backpack, so let's go home and taste it. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I made it home finally. It's like it's past 7 p.m. Sun is going down. So there's the ghost pepper McChicken. I went through a lot to get this, as you guys can see. Ghost pepper, but they have like 3 levels of spice. I think they have the, let's see, they have scotch and habanero and also the ghost pepper. So I think this orange sauce here, that's the ghost pepper sauce. Let's taste it. Oh yeah, that's hot. So I think it just looks like any ordinary McChicken, except the sauce inside. And also here, inside here, I don't know if you can tell, but it says ghost pepper, habanero, and then ghost here. So let's give it actually a taste. Let me put the lettuce back in first. So if you look in there, there's the hot sauce right there. Alright, I brought some water here. So let's see, first time tasting it. Here we go. Nice big bite. That's hot. Let's go for another one. Definitely feeling it. A little bit burning my throat and my face. Let's go for another one. It looks really nice, actually. But it's nothing too crazy. Like, I've tried ghost pepper on its own. It's way more hot than this. Oh wait. Actually, nice and hot. I don't think it's available in America, but it is here in Canada. I think it was about around $7 for this, so definitely on the expensive side of McDonald's. But here we go, there's a lot of sauce there. My nose is watering. Let's give it a little bit of water now. Nothing too bad here. I've tried spicier things, but it's definitely burning. But yeah, 100 subscribers and my brother will try it too. But anyway, if you guys wanna try it and you're in Canada, go ahead. It's not that bad, but now I'm feeling a bit of burn down here. Ooh, starting to burn. Last bite here. My nose is watering too. It's really cold here, but it's warming me up. Let's eat every piece of lettuce because these are like really expensive pieces of lettuce. Ooh. Now it's starting to burn. So yeah, that was actually pretty good. Nothing too spicy there, but definitely some spice. I've tried spicier. But anyway, if you guys want to try it out, go ahead, go to your nearest McDonald's, pick it up, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a like if you liked it, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.